How to get the vine boom sound effect.
Hello, today I'm gonna play this game.
That one. This one. This thing. This sound effect.
Hello, hello, today I'm gonna play this game. I'm just gonna practice. So,
Oh no.
okay,
The phone is gonna die.
Not
So do you know how to get this? First, go to audio, go to sounds, and just type these. Vine boom sound effect. Oh, and there, you have this. Now you finally have this. That's easy. That's so easy.
hello, today I'm gonna play this game. I'm just gonna practice. So,
That's it.
okay,
Thank you for watching my video for today. Okay, this shit annoying.
lol.
Shit annoying. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like and subscribe.